Have you ever tried to learn OpenFOAM but felt completely lost between commands, folders, boundary conditions, meshing, and post-processing? Then this course is for you. I'm launching the OpenFOAM CFD Mastery Course by CFD Simplified, a structured, practical course that takes you from CFD fundamentals to complete engineering projects. Now let me ask you honestly, have you ever followed one tutorial then another tutorial and still felt that you don't understand the complete OpenFOAM workflow? That is the exact problem this course solves. Instead of random videos, this course gives you a clear sequence: first concepts, then setup, then simulation, then meshing, then projects. So, you are not just copying commands, you are actually understanding what you are doing. In this course, you will get 6 complete modules, 19 lessons, and 3 practical engineering projects. The focus is simple: learn CFD and OpenFOAM in a structured way. You will understand the workflow step by step from basic theory to running real OpenFOAM simulations independently. Here is the complete roadmap. First, we prepare the system and understand the course resources. Then we build the CFD foundation. After that, we install Ubuntu or WSL, OpenFOAM and ParaView. Then we solve our first complete case. After that, we move into meshing, parallel processing, and finally practical engineering projects. So the course is designed like a journey, not a collection of disconnected lectures. In Module 1, we start with the introduction and preparation. You will understand what this course covers, how to follow the roadmap, and how to use the course resources properly. This is important because before learning any software, you need clarity. You should know what you are learning, why you are learning it, and how each topic connects to the next topic. Module 2 covers the essential CFD fundamentals. We will discuss what computational fluid dynamics actually is, the governing equations used in CFD, important dimensionless numbers, steady state and transient simulations, and also common CFD errors. Because remember, running a simulation is easy, but understanding whether your result is correct or wrong, that is the real engineering skill. In Module 3, we move to software installation and Linux basics. You will learn how to install Ubuntu or WSL, OpenFOAM and ParaView. And along with that, I will also explain the useful Linux commands required for OpenFOAM. So even if you are a beginner and you have never used Linux before, you will still be able to follow the course properly. Module 4 is your first complete OpenFOAM simulation, the lid-driven cavity problem. This is one of the best beginner CFD cases. We will understand the physics of the problem, prepare the case files, run the simulation, and then post-process the results. The goal is simple. You should understand how an OpenFOAM case is built from start to finish. Now comes one of the most important parts of the CFD meshing. In Module 5, you will learn blockMesh and snappyHexMesh. You will understand how to create a mesh, how to make it finer or coarser, and how to approach basic and advanced meshing in OpenFOAM. Because in CFD, a bad mesh can destroy even a good setup. So this module is very important. In Module 6, we discuss parallel processing in OpenFOAM. When cases become larger, running them on a single processor can take a lot of time. So you will learn how to split the domain using decomposePar, run the case using multiple processors, and reconstruct the results. This is very useful when you start working on larger and more practical CFD problems. And now, the most exciting part, the projects. This course includes 3 practical engineering projects. Project 1 is room ventilation and thermal comfort. Project 2 is external aerodynamics of a NACA airfoil. Project 3 is the OpenFOAM motorbike tutorial. These projects will help you move from basic software learning to actual portfolio level CFD work. So, who should join this course? If you are a mechanical, aerospace, civil or thermal fluid student, this course will help you. If you are an engineer who wants to learn OpenFOAM practically, this course will help you. If you are a researcher and you want a structured starting point, this course will help you. And if you are a complete beginner who is tired of searching random videos, this course is definitely for you. The launch price of the course is 1500 rupees for Indian learners and $25 for international learners. The enrollment link is given in the description and pinned comment. After payment verification, you will get access to the course through Google Drive. So if you want to learn OpenFOAM in a structured, practical and engineering focused way, enroll now and start your OpenFOAM CFD journey with CFD Simplified. See you inside the course.